Welcome to 661 Game Chat.
Good morning, Kern County, and welcome to another episode of Kern Living. It might be before noon, but it's never too early to play some video games. So this morning, I'm with 661 Game Truck, and I'm with the owner, Blanca, and we're playing some video games. How are you doing?
I'm doing good, and yourself?
I'm doing well. I'm excited that you're here. I was super excited to come to work today, not gonna lie, because we've got PlayStations, we've got Xboxes. What inspired you to start this truck?
I think what inspired me the most was when I was a little girl, I used to play a lot of video games with my brothers. Yeah.
So are you the cool mom now that lets them play video games for hours?
Yes, I do.
Yeah.
Oh, I shouldn't have done that. Oh, we caught it.
Right here, what we have today is we have a variety of game consoles. We have Xbox, we have PlayStations, and we have Nintendo Switches, with also a variety of games to choose from. Behind me, we have 6 55-inch LED TV screens. And for starters, some of the games that we have here today would be Mortal Kombat, Need for Speed, racing games, superhero games such as Marvel Spider-Man, Minecraft, Grand Theft Auto, Call of Duty Black Ops 3, sports games as well, such as FIFA 21, Madden NFL 21, and Injustice, Star Wars, Rocket League, any other games you can think of nowadays.
So back in May, we went to 15 in Marriott Hotel here in Bakersfield. And as soon as we got there, the kids were really excited. It was a bunch of teenagers, and it got crazy in there. A bunch of them went in there. I think I had, more than 20 kids inside the trailer. We had to get some of them out because it was too overwhelming there. They were so excited.
So, if you guys are interested in booking with us, we do have a phone number that you can call. It is 661-381-8568, and we do have social media like Instagram and Facebook, and there you can reach us at 661 Game Truck.
Or you can go into our website, which is www.661gametruck. You can book your event with us, birthday party, quinceañera, anything you like.